How to calculate the inverse of a number using your Sharp EL-520X. Example, to calculate the inverse of 12, select 12. On top of the number 2 keys, the x to the negative 1, which is your inverse. You're going to hit second function since it's in orange, and that key. Here you'll see it says 12 to the negative 1 now, which is your inverse. Hit equals. And that's a decimal inverse to get the fraction. Again, you want to get it in fractions, just select second function and D over C, and there's your inverse. That's how you calculate the inverse using your Sharp EL-520X.